Hey again everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. I'm excited to have you here today because we are taking a deeper dive into a product that really impressed me. The Jackery Explorer 1000 version 2 paired with the Solar Saga 200 watt solar panel. Now, if you have not seen my unboxing video of this power station and the solar panel combo, I highly recommend checking that out first. In that video, I walked you through the design, build quality, specs, and what you get in the box. But today is all about real-world performance. I actually brought it out on location during one of our shooting sessions to see how it would handle under a bit of pressure. So let me walk you through how it went. In my previous video, I charged completely only using solar panel. No wall outlets, no backup charging, just the Solar Saga panels, working under the California sun. And today, without plugging it into the wall even once, I decided to power all our essential lighting gear directly from it, including continuous video lights and some strobe lights. Let me tell you, I was honestly surprised. It held up way better than I expected. You can see from the behind-the-scenes footage, we are not using just small LEDs here. These are professional-grade lights that pull serious wattage. And when it comes to gear like this, power quality matters a lot. You can't just plug this into any cheap power bank and hope for the best. They require pure sine wave output, otherwise you risk damaging sensitive electronics. That's why I'm seriously impressed by how stable and reliable this Jackery power station is. It did not flicker, it did not drop voltage, it just worked quickly and efficiently. No fans blasting in the background, no stress. It's also worth mentioning how portable and simple it is to set up. Everything just connects easily, and there is a display that gives you all the info you need: wattage in, wattage out, battery life, and more. For someone like me, who is often shooting in different locations, having something this powerful yet compact is a huge asset. If you are a content creator, photographer, filmmaker, or even someone who just loves going off-grid, this could be a game changer. And right now, I believe Jackery has some great deals going on for Amazon Prime Day, which makes it the perfect time to invest in something like this. I will drop a discount code and product link in the description below, just in case you are interested in checking it out. Trust me, if you are serious about having reliable portable power for your gear, this setup is worth every penny. That's it for today's review. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future reviews. Thanks again for watching, stay creative, stay positive, and I will see you in the next one.